hindi po siya prepared. Ang ipapakilala ko naman po ngayon ay yung pinagmurahan ko daw po ng talento ko sa pagkanta. At para po ipakita sa inyong lahat na like father, like son, please welcome my dad, Mr. Lyndon Crispanto.
Happy birthday, Darren.
Thank you. Alam niyo po, talagang pinag-aralan po talaga ni Daddy yung pag-change key. Ang tanong, kinabahan ka ba, Daddy?
Sobra. Ganda ka.
Thank you, Daddy, kasi pinagbihan mo ako ngayong birthday ko na makapagduwan tayo para sa kanila. Si Mami kaya. Kasi po si Mami, alam niyo po kasi, sabi po ni Mami, pag niya pa lang po sa stage, mahimatay na siya, kaya ayaw niya po mag-perform. Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, my family! Ito na po sila.
Good evening to everyone.
Parang di lang naman tayo.
Thank you po sa pagpunta sa concert ni Darren, birthday concert. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyong lahat sa sobra-sobrang suporta niyo po sa anak namin, si Darren. Thank you po from the bottom of our hearts. Hindi man kita mapagbigyan anak, kasi hindi naman ako, baka masira yung title mo na total performer eh. Pag sumayaw-sayaw pa ako. Anyway, as you celebrate your 40th birthday here at the MOA Arena, I would like you to know now we are so proud of you. You've brought so much joy to our family. You're really a gift to us and a blessing to us. And as a mom, I can never be prouder, anak. Meron po ang konting message kay Darren. Kinakabahan po ako kaya type po ako.
Alam niyo po itong si Mami, siya po yung talagang nag-aalaga po sa akin dito sa Pilipinas. Siya po yung stylist ko. Siya po yung parating nag-aalaga sa akin. Siya po yung tumutulong sa backstage para po ma-ready po ako at maging maayos po yung mga performances ko. Yes.
Ganyan yung lahat ng mamis, ganyan yata anak eh. We will do everything. Darren, you are now living your dream. Naaalala ko anak noon, nanonood lang tayo sa TFC. Lagi tayong, ay, ang galing ni ganito, ni Sir, ni Ma'am, ganyan-ganyan. Lagi tayo nag-uusap. Tapos, ngayon anak nangyayari na. Ikaw naman, kahit na paano, nag-perform sa MOA Arena. MOA Arena anak, hindi basta-basta. Pero hindi rin ibig sabihin nun na yun na rin yung start na magyayabang. Ito lang siguro yung magmamark ng beginning sa mas magandang tatahakin mong karera. Darren, as you are now living your dream, masyado akong na-overwhelmed. Kasi it seemed impossible before because of the ups and downs that you went through just to reach it. And I believe that it's all because of your undying love for music and your perseverance no matter what. I'm very confident enough to say now that all your hard work are paying off. Having said this, let me remind you though to please do not forget God. Always seek His guidance in everything that you do. Embrace humility, gratefulness, and appreciation. Remember all the people who helped pave the way for this. Hindi madali anak yung pinagdadaanan natin ngayon, yung magkakahiwa-hiwalay tayo, pero we'd like you to know na kahit ano pa ang mangyari, susuportahan ka namin hanggat saan mo gusto dalhin ang pangarap mo. Happy birthday, Darren! May our love and support May you enjoy what you are doing as your Daronatics family. Tirelessly support in every endeavor. Ang dami anak ng mga tao hindi natin inakalang susuporta sa iyo at tutulong. Blessing yan. They are being used by God as instruments. Sana anak, pagdating din ng araw na ikaw naman ang pagbigyan ng chance na makatulong din sa mga darating at baguhan. Be a blessing to them as well, no? At sana huwag lalating yung ulo, huwag magiging mayabang, ha? Okay, happy birthday, we love you.
Thank you, Mami.
Darren, I just would like to let you know that palagi na ako nandito kami ng mami mo and bilang magulang. Yung pinagdadaanan mo yung hindi madali. Mahirap, maraming challenges, maraming difficulties. Always remember na we will always be here to support you. Tatanggol ka, sasalagin yung mga challenges na maranasan mo. So, always put God first in anything that you do. And as a family, we will always be here to support you. We love you. Happy birthday.
Maraming salamat po kasi